Have you ever felt like this? One mentor tells you this design looks too crowded. Another one says it's too empty, add more. Your client says make it pop. And now you are just stuck. Whom do you listen to? Too many opinions equals total confusion. This is called feedback overload. And if you are a UI and UX designer, you have definitely faced it at some point. In today's video, let's talk about why this happens, who do actually listen to, how to deal with the conflicting feedbacks. Let's get started. Hi, I am Rambal from Aspira. Happy to see you again. Section 1. Why feedback overload happens. As a new designer, you are learning fast. So naturally, you ask for feedbacks from mentors, peers, clients, even friends. But here is the catch. Everyone gives feedback from their own lens. Mentors think long-term and big picture. Peers may focus on visual detail or trends. Clients usually care about business goals. Some friends just want it to look cool. So what happens? You get 10 different suggestions and none of them agree. Result, you feel stuck. Doubt your own work. And worse, sometimes you try to please everyone and mess up the design. Section 2. Who should you actually listen to? Let's simplify this. Here is a priority order you can use when reviewing the feedback. 1. User feedback. Top priority. If you have done usability testing or user interviews, that feedback is gold. Design is not just about making your mentor or client happy. It's about solving user problems. 2. Project goals, business needs. What is the goal of this design? Sign-ups, conversion, engagement. If your design helps to meet the goal, it is good, even if it is not flashy. 3. Experienced mentors for design thinking. If a mentor gives you a constructive feedback, not just this looks bad, that is worth listening to. But even here, make sure it aligns with the project's purpose. 4. Peers. For visual feedback. Your designer friends might give tips on spacing, colors, alignment. Helpful. But don't blindly follow stale suggestions unless it serves the function. 5. Random opinions. Low priority. Avoid design by committee. Don't change your design just because 3 WhatsApp friends didn't feel it. Section 3. How to handle conflicting feedback. Here is how to filter and respond to feedback without going crazy. 1. Group feedback by team. If 3 people said your layout is confusing, that is a pattern. You have to fix it. But if one person says, change the font, the another one says, font is perfect, maybe you can skip that. 2. Ask clarifying questions. Instead of just nodding, ask what made it feel confusing. Can you show me where you felt stuck? So these kind of questions will help you to understand the real problems, not just the surface opinion. 3. Trust the process. If you did the research, made wireframes and have a clear design goal, you can respectfully ignore feedback that doesn't fit. 4. Keep a version history. Save your earlier versions. If you experiment with the feedback and it doesn't work, you can always go back. Final thought. So friends, feedback is important, but not all feedback is equal. Learn to listen, not obey. Design is not about making everyone happy. It is about solving the right problem for the right people. So next time you get too many opinions, pause and ask, who is this feedback for? The user, the business, or just someone's taste? If this helped you, hit that like button, comment your experience with the feedback overload, and subscribe for more real world UX tips in simple English. Until next time, keep designing, keep listening, but always trust your thinking. I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye-bye.